Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel, and today we're going to solve Leetcode daily challenge problem number 451, sort characters by frequency. So it's a really easy problem to solve, and we'll first check out the problem statement, then we'll look into the approach which you're going to use, and towards the end we'll see the code as well. So starting with the problem statement, it is given that given a string s, sort it in decreasing order based on frequency of the characters. The frequency of a character, basically they have given the definition of frequency. Return the sorted string. If there are multiple answers, return any of them. So basically what you'll have to do is you have to figure out the frequency of each of the character in the string and sort the whole string based on that. Okay. And if two characters have same frequency, it doesn't matter where you put that. So yeah, this is the whole problem statement. So the approach which I'm going to use is very simple. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to use a hash map and sorting method to solve this problem. So what we will do, we will first count the, or we'll first prepare the frequency dictionary for the string. For example, in this case we had tree, right? So what I did, I took the characters as the key, and I counted, or I took the frequency of every character as a value of the dictionary. Okay. So this will be the first step. After that, like as soon as you have this dictionary with the frequency mapping, you just have to basically sort the dictionary on the basis of the value of the dictionary, or in this case we can say frequency of the characters. And when you do that, you'll get something like this. For example, e had two the frequency of e was 2, so it will be at the top, then t1 r1. Okay. And this can be interchanged, it doesn't matter. Okay, this can be interchanged, and at the end you'll just have to iterate this sorted mapping, and we'll keep a variable, we'll name it result. It will be an empty string, and we'll just keep on adding or appending the characters multiplied with their frequency. For example, if you multiply e with 2, it will give you ee, right? Then t1 will give you t, r1 will give you r. So if we'll add everything up, you will get EEDR, which was our expected result for the example. So yeah, these are the three simple steps which you'll be using. Let's check out the code for the same. Okay, so in this code, what we have done, as explained in the explanation side, we have an empty string, and we have given the variable name result to that, and we are calculating the frequency using the counter method. Okay, so it will basically give you frequency corresponding to each of the characters in the string. Okay, to sort the dictionary on the basis of the key, I have used the sorted method. Okay, and what we are doing over here, so the first parameter over here is the item. So basically frequency dot items, any dictionary dot items gives you key and value both. Okay, and for the key, what we are doing, we are taking the values, and that is determined here. So items gives you key value pair, right? So the first index will always represents the value, and we wanted it in the decreasing order. So do that, we have this parameter called reverse, which accepts a boolean value, and I have given true for that. Okay, after that, I'll just simply iterate the sorted frequency. It will be an array of tuples. Okay, sorted frequency will be an array of tuples, and the structure will be like this. So to give you an idea, it will be something like e comma 2. Okay, sorry. Yeah, e comma 2, then we'll have t comma 1, and so on and so forth. So what we are doing, we are just simply iterating this sorted frequency, and we are appending the result of multiplication of frequency and the character itself in the variable, and at the end we are just simply returning the variable. So let's check out the test cases. As you can see, the test cases got clear. Let's submit for further evaluation now. Okay, it is taking some time. So as you can see, the solution got accepted, and I don't know why it didn't perform well this time, but last time I submitted it was around 90%. So yeah, this was the solution, guys. Thanks a ton for watching out the video. Stay tuned for the upcoming ones. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.